Hello! To apply a new theme on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down to go into the themes, and right here there are a lot of themes. There are themes which are paid for and free themes, and if you want to get free themes, I recommend to go into this top card right here, and here we can select from all to free, as you can see, and now you have the preview of all free themes. And also, as you input some phrase in here, you can, I don't know, let's for example type in Valentine's, and here we can also change it from popular to top 3. And here we have free theme with the Valentine theme, as you can see. And basically, as you like some theme, as you find yourself the theme that you like, you simply go in here and press this download button. And right here, you can go from here to menu, and you will have available in this My Stuff card right here, you'll have all of the themes that you've downloaded available, also some wallpapers, icons, always on displays, and yeah, that's it. And as you download your favorite theme, you press on this one, press apply, and from here you have to wait for all changes to apply to your phone, and after that basically that's how to get the new theme, that's how to apply a new theme for your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Thank you for watching.